Masarap si.
Samgyupsal mukbang. Hello guys! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Will Samgyupsalan. See you later guys! Dito na tayo ngayon. Let's eat na!
Si Ashley.
Gutom na si Ashley.
Si Ashley. Siyan.
Oh.
Maghaga. Ayan.
We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
Tikman natin ito guys. Masarap. I hope masarap. Lakas mo ka na. Kain na. Dami.
Light's gonna come. Birds have just begun. We will always take a step.
Masarap ge.
Animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were
Ang sarap!
coming home. Savannah. We'll never be alone. Savannah.
Wow!
Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Can you have the other, please?
Savannah. I'm coming home. Savannah. We'll never be alone. Savannah. Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Gusto ko na palang tunay na laban. Bit na ng horse ko na natin. Oo, one horse. Sa kanto. Para magbuha kanin.
Ano na sis? Oh. Tutong na.
Pwede tayo magpapalit ng plate. Samgyupsal mukbang. Kumaya natin los, Diego. Allah.
Kaya?
Bigyan mo.
Sarap. Sana ako mag-iyosi daw.
Hello.
Dahan-dahan sis.
Kaya ko to. Dapat picture tayo para mo.
Sino magpipicture?
Diba may mga picture? Ipasa mo.
Oo.
Has just come. We must never stop the way. Let's jump in.
Bumirang.
Bumer. Sarap sis. Sarap.
Sometimes win.
Sulit na. Sulit naman yung ano. Walang seafood, no? Wala sa...
Savannah.
Thank you, sis.
Ay, bumirang.
Sis.
Happy talaga.
Ang sabi ni siyang sis?
Bumirang. Appetizer. Naumay na ako.
Nasa yung ano, beef? Ayan yun.
Ligapit kaya kung load sila.
Magbabay ka na.
Thank you so much guys for watching. See you next vlog. Hi. Bye.
Magbabay ka na si...
Oh my gosh. Ulit mo, magkakita ako pa ba? Ulit pa ba? Ang tanong, mauulit pa ba? Mauulit ba? Yung account namin. Wag na. Wag na yan. Daddy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Just click the bell button and you will be updated for the next videos to be uploaded. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.